Welcome back to the show, guys. Now let's head on over to Grenada for this week's Caribbean music video. Here's Last Horn by Blacker Dawn.
Don't blame me. Lord, Lord. Lord, 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 Lord. Lord, Lord. No liar talking street. The amount of time I escape. Last time my girl catch my horn and start a pack she suitcase. Don't taste that run down my face. Don't go now, baby. I go change. Promise to turn a new page. I never horn she again. No, I ain't a vet. Up in a vet. They wet an ex girl around my neck. You might say black and show some respect, but I so soak up people lost fat. I soaking wet, she soaking wet. I on the box and she on the set. And so the girl looking best. Hear this. I feel I go on again. Certain promise I cannot keep. Samson strong and girl make him weak. I feel I go on again. Old people say that I'm cheap. That's why I have a whole heap. I don't want no horn, but wine can done. Feel this is the last one. I don't want no horn, but wine can done. Feel like popping my corn. I don't want no horn, but wine can done. Feel this is the last one. I don't want no horn, but wine can done.
This week, the spotlight shines on 90s dancehall artist Powerman in this week's Ray and Never Trailblazer feature.
Y'all call me a New York and Japan. Said them want them Jamaican. Yeah, y'all call me a Canada and Cayman. Say ya we them a weird pan.
The Waterhouse area of Kingston has been a hotbed of musical talent over the years. Dancehall artist Powerman is one such individual. In the 1990s, he had a number of hits in the dancehall, but much has not been heard of Powerman these days. So what has he been up to?
Girl, if you slim and trim and not figure a gym, and in the hero wine and sing, slim girl whining, husband mining, enough of them begs through the motor lining. Slim girl, make you walk along, so wind up yourself like electric motor. Slim girl, make you fling your foot.
Born Michael Davey, he lived close to the famous King Jammy's and King Tubby's recording studios. He honed his craft working on sound systems such as Studio Mix Sound and Heatwave. He recorded his first song Technicolor for producer Castro Brown's New Name music label and hasn't looked back since. He was later introduced to the Shocking Vibes label by dancehall artist Beenie Man, and their fruitful relationship began with songs such as Serious Things, Gala Call Me Name, Miss Killamberry, Slim and Trim, also known as Body Basics, and Stone.
Miss Killamberry, I'm a shoot man body. Better the little girl try run from me. Miss Killamberry, I'm a shoot man body. Better the little girl try run from me. Tell her run, that was my last warning. But she think me in a skin teeth in cars. Girl gone drop on her back. Hospital nearly take that.
As the 1990s drew to a close, Powerman's popularity began to wane. He released one album for Shocking Vibes titled Galawasso, but he continued to perform overseas. These days, he is living in the Red Hills area of Kingston and recently completed work on a one-drop reggae album, which is now available online. His recent performances include shows in Mandeville, Portland, St. Thomas, and in Kingston. He performed in Guyana on July 29 alongside Terror Fabulous, T.O.K. and Gaza Kim. He has new songs released by producers Cornelius Records and the Reggae Vibes label.
She named Miss Killamberry and she broke man. When she woke me up, she was only extra. Miss Killamberry and she broke man. And they tied the little girl. Tell them, serious things are go up when you see me silky.
This has been our Ray and Nephew Trailblazers feature, where we bring you information on some of our past musical stars and tell you what they've been up to lately. Join us next time for another feature.
And before we close the chapter on this week's episode of Predis, let's see which one of your favorite songs made the cut on this week's Magnum Top 10 charts.
You take man for food, take man for that stop shot. Jumping on my car, make me slap that a snap back. We are do we think, cause you know say me no love chat. Them well firm, plus a
victory. When you're winning, it's a sweet story. And when you're not, then the war is bitter. You're quick to call me a sinner.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Ha, 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 ho, ho, ho. Couple rubber band, couple stop then. Yeah.
Stepping at the dance, every man a line. Bump up, back up, baseline wine. Watch how me roll it, skirt ride. Everything I ride.
None of them not there on my level. Not even I know how I do it. I just do it like Jordan or you, we know Shaquille or Kobe, and no one can stop me. Me no know.
Life is what you make it. Me, I make mine like this. Me, I hustling any weather. Me, I hustle just to make it better.
From me little me, I say anytime me get in, me I feel like for impact. Set me things so I'ma get the youth and them a pre say them that the thing shot, sing shot. Enough man get bring it to the owner. No, stop everything I do, go take a show and bring it to the owner. No. The girl with a body, with a mad anybody, you me need a pretty time from a team. Here some first time turn I'll be rest of the street, you know what I mean? He said, hey, pretty baby, turn me on, 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 turn me on. Girl, when you wind up your body, I just gotta wind on you. It makes me feel so happy just to stand behind you, oh baby.
And that's how we say goodbye on this week's episode of Predis. I'm your host, Michaela Liana. Be sure to follow us on all social media at Predis Show and like our Facebook page. Until next week, see you soon.
Yeah, me, I take me little step in a life, cause I'm gonna reach somewhere. Keeping my eyes on the prize, cause I'm gonna reach somewhere. And me not gonna watch what the next man have a plan. No, just have to be pure in heart. Yeah, take me little step in a life, cause I'm gonna reach somewhere. Yeah, yes, I'm gonna do it step by step, and sweat by sweat. Yes, I'm gonna be about it. I mean, I don't know who's calling me legitimate.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bar. Blast like a star with some galapar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
Yeah, all gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. At blem, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we are prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we are headline. We back, we talk on the own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how good we Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place crackle. No, we turn up in a sack. Take charge, take charge. Magnum. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real stardust. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.
One more shot.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.
As I go through my day, when I work or I play,
There's one thing that I do when I wanna stay cool. Cool on your body any day, anytime. I cool water on the front line. Drop it on the beat, this a I cool time. Tell it to the world, it's a one that I feel reach worldwide.
I cool water helps me stay